Before we begin,
Let's start from the top.
what is a skilled trade? According to BTI, a skilled trade is any hands-on occupation that requires a particular skill set and knowledge. When it comes to pursuing an education in skilled trades, it's advertised to those who are interested in honing their skills. If a desk job sounds unappealing to you, working in the trades gives you a new challenge every day. That being said, how do you get into a skilled trade? Apprenticeships. They are basically an arrangement in which someone learns a job or trade under another worker. They also provide many benefits, such as earning while you're learning.
Now you may be wondering, what makes a skilled trade so enjoyable? Many people who work in a trade say they enjoy their job because they are able to get personal satisfaction and fulfillment. This comes from being able to see how their hard work contributes and positively impacts the people in the communities around them. This can be constructing a new building, maintaining electrical wiring, or giving a client a new hairstyle. Seeing the results reinforces their confidence and their sense of accomplishment in their jobs. In addition, skilled trades and personal satisfaction come hand in hand. A trade worker doesn't just work in a trade because it pays good. Sure, it's definitely an amazing benefit, but the main reason why skilled trades are so successful is because the people who work in those trades enjoy the hands-on projects. In other words, they have an interest for what they do in their trade, thus gaining personal satisfaction as if it was like a hobby. There isn't one without the other,
Which is why skilled trades lead to a prosperous,
enjoyable,
lifelong career.